guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rapiana. So today I decided to do something different for you guys. I always get the blonde wigs and I'll dye them like a blonde, but I wanted to do lavender today, and I knew that this color would look so good on my skin tone. Okay, so that's why I did it for you guys. So I did go through a lot with this hair color. I don't know why I used the wrong product. I used the Ion Brilliance first, and I'll try to leave like snippets of me doing that, but to be completely honest, you guys, it did not take all of the hair. Like, it was taking the back, but it wasn't taking the front. So I literally went to the hair store twice after I did the first process, and it just did not take, and I'm just like, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I was supposed to like wash the blonde wig first before I color it or what, but it was not taking all of the hair. So I needed to strip the hair color. So I was going back and forth whether I was going to strip all of the hair or what I was going to do, but I just decided to do like the front because I felt like something was going on with the front where it was like blue or some shit. I don't know, but y'all, I used the color Oops. I'll try to leave a picture here to get you guys to know what I'm talking about. I used the product before. It's basically a product that will strip the color of the hair. When I stripped the color of this hair, it basically turned blue, like a lighter blue. So I was left with like light blue hair. Then I bleached it to see if I can strip it some more, and my hair was just like light blue. So I was just like, okay, whatever. I'm not like processing anymore. Like, I've already colored it twice. I used the color Oops. That's a whole nother fucking product. And then I used bleach. 4 processes. And then I finally dyed it this color. So, let you guys know the color that I used the Adore Lavender color. And this is in the color 90. I used this in the watercolor method. Okay, so I don't know why I didn't just do this in the first place. I'm just very upset that I like spent all this money and time on this hair and didn't even take. But this color that you guys are seeing now is the Lavender by Adore. I knew lavender was gonna look really pretty on me. Like, that's why I really wanted to do it. And I'm a brown skin girl, and I love showing colors on brown skin girls. The color came out really pretty. I feel like I wanted it to all be one color. I did. I wanted it to be all one color. However, because the hair was like already like a color at the top, once I like bleached it and did the color Oops, the top kind of did take a little darker. I'm not sure how it's taken up on camera, but I know for a fact that this hair is a little like 2 tones darker. Just literally 2 tones darker than like the rest of the hair. The rest of the hair is kind of like light at the ends, but I feel like it's really giving all one tone. I don't know. I'll have to go back and play the footage. The color of the lace is already like a light brown, so that's really good for us brown girls, because I don't understand why these companies aren't already having like brown lace on blonde hair. Like, it would make everybody's life better. Instead of us having to tint and do all this extra stuff to the blonde laces, just already have them like brown. Duh. I put makeup under mine. I did not show that in the video, but I do that with all my wigs. I always put the foundation up under, and I use the face product that I use, foundation, and this is the Infallible Pro, and I use mine in the color Cocoa 112. So if you guys ever wanted to know, that's what I use on my face. When I first dyed it the first time, it was not shedding at all, but I am getting a little bit of shedding. And this is the brush, so you guys could see like the hair that I got since I like put it on. It's not like awful. It's not awful, you guys, but I just wanted to show you guys the shedding that I did have with it. I haven't really received any tangles with it, working with the hair at all. I use basic shampoo, Tresemme shampoo and conditioner on this hair, and that's pretty much it. I am not showing you guys how I did the watercolor method. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. It's plenty of videos on YouTube. But I did want to let you guys know that I did use 2 bottles of this in my water. I think that this color is really pretty on brown skin girls, and I knew that it would come out really pretty on my skin tone, period. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump right into how I laid this lace. So you guys, up in the top upper left corner, I'm showing you guys the unboxing of the hair. This is my first time working with Dorhair. I love the wig and I love the quality of the blonde wig. It's really hard to come around really good quality blonde wigs, you guys. This one is really good. However, I did not like working with this company on the business side of things. I would never work with this company again. I thought it was necessary to tell you guys, because if I ever have a problem, I'm always here to tell you guys. I have nothing to be fake about or try to hide anything. It's not that deep. At the end of the day, this is just hair and I'm just styling hair. Have nothing to lie about, and I feel very comfortable with telling you guys that I would never work with this company again. However, the hair quality is good and you guys can take the information however you would like. But anyways, this is the inside of the cap. It comes with 3 combs, 1 in the back and an adjustable strap. Again, I love the color of the lace. It was brown, and you know we're already brown, so it makes it even better, and it makes the wig, you know, even more undetectable, you guys. Like, the way that this lace blended into my skin tone was amazing, and I just felt like it didn't have like an ashy tint to it. Like, just look at it, it just looks so good. So here I am, I'm cutting the lace. I do this all the time. This was actually supposed to be like a coloring tutorial type thing, you guys, but once I had all those problems with coloring the hair, I just decided to just make it an installation video and show you guys how I got this to look so flawless, because I feel like this is like the first time that I ever really did like a blonde wig and had the lace really like melt into my skin tone. Like, I'm very pleased with the lace, you guys. I think that it is a good wig. I really do. So I'm using my Supreme Ghost Bond glue. You guys know that it's the only glue that I've been using and that I will probably be using. But I got this from my local beauty supply store. It was $32, and it's also on Amazon if you guys can't find it in your local beauty supply store as well. So I'm speeding up this process because, again, I do this all the time, but it's just sped up just enough so that you guys could still get the gist of what I'm doing. Other than that, you guys, that's pretty much it. I am going to zoom in so that you guys could see how it melts into my skin tone. Also want to let you guys know to make sure that you are not putting it on your hairline, because you want to save your edges. Now, I hate for you not to have any edges. I really would. But anyways, here I am melting the lace. As you guys could see, the lace looks so good. Like, it just looks so good. Like, oh my god, I'm so pleased with it. Like, I really am.
Oh, I like this. I like this.
So I just want to pause it here so you guys can get a good look at that lace. It's amazing. It looks so good. My foundation color isn't bleeding onto the color of the lavender color. It looks so good. So if you guys are looking for a good blonde wig, I highly recommend this one. It comes brown. The lace is brown. It's amazing, you guys. And definitely check them out. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media at _Rabiana Simone, and follow me on my Snapchat at Rabiana. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.